The Elf Bar GH20K is a 20,000 puff disposable with a twist. 3 coil modes built right into the device. At the time of recording, it's priced at $28.99, working out to $1.44 per milliliter. The standout here is the triple mesh coil system. Light mode dials things back for a softer draw, smooth keeps it balanced for everyday use, and turbo cranks up the flavor and vapor when you want more out of it. Having 3 distinct modes on a disposable gives you a level of control you usually don't get at this price point. Each device comes pre-filled with 20 milliliters of e-liquid at 20 milligrams per milliliter nicotine strength. Powered by an 850 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging. You also get adjustable airflow to fine-tune the draw alongside whichever mode you're running. A side-mounted LED screen shows your power level, current mode, and e-liquid percentage, so you're never guessing where things stand. The one I have here is Burst, a mixed fruit blend that hits bright and refreshing. It's a solid all-day flavor without leaning too sweet. If you like disposables but wish you had a bit more say in how they hit, the GH20K gives you that without adding any real complexity. Worth a look.